Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be discussing about anti-cancerous drug and the subtopic is anti-metabolite, in which we will be discussing about pyrimidine analog. Okay, so pyrimidine analog, they have a varied application as an anti-neoplastic, antifungal or anti-psoriatic agents. Okay, so the first drug we will be discussing about is fluorouracil or 5-FU. So first of all we should know that it is a prodrug. Okay, पहले ये prodrug है, तो it has been converted into an active metabolite, and the active metabolite is FDUMP, that is 5-fluoro 2-deoxyuridine monophosphate. Okay, and this active compound, it form a ternary complex with methyl THFA and thymidylate synthase. Okay, and it is irreversibly inhibiting this thymidylate synthetase. Okay, the triphosphate of this 5-FU, that is FUTP, it is incorporated into RNA and interfere with RNA synthesis and function. Okay, and this contribute to cytotoxicity that has been caused by use of fluorouracil. Okay, so since inhibition of thymidylate synthase by 5-FU is dependent on the presence of THFA. Okay, it concurrent infusion of leurosin enhances the efficacy of 5-FU. Okay, and cisplatin and olexiplatin also synergizes with the 5-FU. So 5-FU and like olexiplatin, we had discussed that it is a regimen for colorectal cancer, right? The most protocol now employ 5-FU along with the leucovorin and cisplatin olexiplatin, right? We discussed that leucovorin 5-FU olexiplatin, that is FOXFOX protocol, that is used in colorectal cancer. Okay, so the route that mostly it is given in IV because oral absorption is unreliable. Okay, the absorption is unreliable, that's why it is mostly used by IV infusion, and the most used is it is used in GIT cancer. Okay, and it is a drug of choice in low GIT cancer like colorectal cancer, anal cancer. Okay, and a 1% topical solution which is applied twice daily for 3 to weeks has yielded gratifying result in superficial basal cell carcinoma and in actinic keratosis. Okay, now the another drug we will be discussing about is capecitabine. It is a oral prodrug of 5-FU. We had discussed that we are giving 5-FU mostly through the IV route, right? So this is a oral prodrug, we can give orally. Okay, and the after absorption it is converted into a deoxy 5-fluorouridine, और वो किस में convert हुआ था, that was converted into 5-fluorodeoxyuridinic monophosphate. Okay, and it is being converted into deoxy 5-fluorouridine in the liver and it is released into blood. Okay, blood में release होने के बाद that is taken up by cell और hydrolyze हो जाएगा किसमें 5-FU में by thymidine phosphorylase. ठीक है, जो ब्रेस्ट होते हैं और जो कोलोरेक्टल कैंसर्स होते हैं उनमें जो ये एंजाइम है दैट थाइमिडीन फॉस्फोराइलेज होता है, उसकी क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा होती है. ठीक है, तो वो कैपेसिटाबाइन से 5-FU कन्वर्ट करवाना होता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ विच थाइमिडीन फॉस्फोराइलेज. अगर एंजाइम ज़्यादा है तो ज़्यादा FU कन्वर्ट होगा फ्रॉम कैपेटिनाबाइन. ओके, capecitabine, and suffer higher toxicity. So uses are similar to 5-FU and it is used in breast cancer, and the side effect is that it is causing head and foot syndrome that is prevented by vitamin B6. अगर हम विटामिन B6 पहले दे दें अगर इसके इन्फ्यूजन से, that is will be better. Okay, so the another is cytarabine, that is Ara-C is also, it is also known as Ara-C. So what is this? It is a cysteine analog that is phosphorylated in body to corresponding nucleotide which will inhibit the DNA synthesis. Okay, and the triphosphate of this drug is an inhibitor of DNA polymerase as well as block the production of cystearic acid. Okay, cytarabine is a cell specific and act primarily during S phase. Okay, so these all are S phase blocker. I had discussed that all these are antifolate or purine or pyrimidine analog. All these are S phase blocker. These are cell cycle specific anti-cancer drug. Okay, and that is used mostly in leukemia and lymphoma. Okay, so cytarabine, it is used mostly in leukemia and lymphoma, like in high grade lymphoma and AML. Okay, acute myeloid lymphoma. Okay, because it is rapidly deaminated. ओके, बहुत जल्दी इसका डीएमिनेशन होता है, तो इसका जो लाइफ होता है, हाफ लाइफ होता है, दैट इज़ वेरी शॉर्ट. ठीक है, अगर अभी ये डीएमिनेट हो गया तो मतलब डीएमिनेट क्या होता है, डीएमिनेशन क्या की होता है, क्या है, दैट हेल्प इन एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ इट. सो ये ज़्यादा जल्दी दे विल बी मोर क्लियरेंस ऑफ इट फ्रॉम प्लाज्मा, राइट. तो अगर ये जल्दी मेटाब एक्सक्रीट आउट हो रहा है, सो वी कैन गिव इट आईवी. या तो हम इसको जल्दी से आईवी दें फॉर 2 to 3 टाइम्स फॉर 5 to 10 days, ओके. या फिर कॉन्टीन्यूअस आईवी इन्फ्यूजन दें 5 to 7 days के लिए. सो द क्वेश्चन दैट हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड कि विच ऑफ द ड्रग कैन बी यूज्ड कैन बी गिवन बाय कॉन्टीन्यूअस आईवी इन्फ्यूजन. दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो द ड्रग इज साइटोरेबाइन, okay, and the side effect are non cardiogenic pulmonary edema. The question also has been asked कि कौन सा क्या होता है. और इसमें 2 टाइप की टॉक्सिसिटी हो सकती है. एक तो सेरिब्रल हो सकती है या फिर सेरिबेलार होगी. सेरिबेलार को हम कैसे ये वो होगा अटैक्सिया के फॉर्म में. और इसको हम कैसे एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, लाइक इन सीजर हो सकता है, डिमेंशिया हो सकता है, ओके. सो द अनदर ड्रग एंड द लास्ट ड्रग इन दिस कैटेगरी इज जेमसिटाबाइन. इट इज़ अ डाइफ्लोरो एनालॉग of deoxycysteine that utilize nucleoside transporter. So there is a transporter to enter the cell, and that is converted into mono di or triphosphate nucleotide of this group, okay. And it is a drug of choice in metastatic carcinoma of pancreatic cancer. We should remember that drug of choice are very drug of choice are very important. So the drug of choice, that is gemcitabine in case of metastatic carcinoma of pancreatic cancer. And it also is an add-on drug कि drug of choice के साथ we can give it plus minus में, that is bladder cancer or non-cell cancer of lungs. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit the bell icon.